drink these feelings away, David.
Watch me. So you okay?
You know, say goodbye, walk to the door, let's get some food in your stomach.
Who made you my mother? How you coming along with those hallucinations? No, that was
You're
nothing.
not a well man.
Shit, that's a lack of sleep, that's all. Sleep? Yeah? You getting it? 8 hours?
12.
9 tops?
Opium addicts are more alert than you, David.
Oh.
Don't you dare. Don't. Last chance.
Then what are you gonna do about it? Hey, whatever. That is not cool, man. Good God!
You're gonna thank me for that one day.
For what? Make me look like a lunatic in front of all those people?
Ang imo, wala ka nga bayo. Sang ano mo pa ni sang Tinder one. Pati agi-agi. Gusto mo. Hindi, pwede polo. Dapat yung puti. May puti.
Why are you still
May
here?
tabo lang. Dahangin na siya. Ay, talaga. Ano yan? Nagkanipas kay Joey. Pinasa mo
Don't
na.
ask me.
All I know is when I'm not with you, it's like I don't exist.
Oh, come on. I'm sorry that I said you're dead. Maybe you're not dead. Maybe you're just very light.
If I could just remember something about why it was, I know once and for all. I'm trying to figure it out. I just can't do it myself.
Okay, let's stop. Go. Closer to the
You're
door.
not asking
Get
me
in the
to
side.
help you, are you?
Get inside.
Look, you have two realities to choose from. The first one being that a woman has come into your life in a very unconventional way, and she happens to need your assistance. The second one is that you're an insane person, and you're sitting on a park bench right now talking to yourself.
I think I prefer the first one.
Okay, let's find out how I am. No, I think that apartment was vacant.
That was a woman? Nobody lived there.
Like I was a ghost before I was dead.
Come on.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, I'm David Katrina. No, this is the secretary. I have a question. The apartment upstairs. Along with your young woman.
I think there was somebody out there. She was like totally antisocial, you know?
Okay, maybe we weren't close friends.
Kind of like a cat lady without any cats. Right?
Okay, I think we're done here.
Let's go. Look, this is so retro. I kind of wonder if I can't get over there.
That's beginning. She wants you to come in.
Well, if David wanted to use a screwdriver to jam it.
Oh, try it.
Well, thanks.
No preliminaries. Incredible.
I'd like to help him at better place.
I like that design.
I just threw up in my mouth.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Too dope.
Why is she wearing workout clothes? I mean, if it was gonna work out in the middle of the day, which is basically hilarious to be wearing workout clothes, you really need a push-up bra? The whole point's to strap them down and push them up.
You know what? You're not coming with me anymore.
Something might jog my memory.
Too bad. You're like an alien shoved in my head. I can't come out.
You don't think she was completely unclassy, predatory?
Those happen to be two of Ben's favorite things.
Why don't you just get a pit bull?
Maybe I will. Damn it.
What?
I locked my key in the apartment.
Oh, there's a spare key in the furniture. I mean, I guess she's sexy if you're into that whole tall, big boobs, long legs, modelly sort of thing. I guess maybe that guy.
Look, there are 5 other units here, and not one person even remembers what you look like. Talk about being disconnected from people.
Are you sure you really want that?
Oh, yes, I'm sure.
Next door on the left. There's a funnel in there too if you need it.
Check it out.
What is it?
Isa na going live it, live
Look,
ka, no?
there's an address written out there. I can't make that out. Is that a 5 or a 6?